Look at that goodness, PB&J shake. Hey guys, so welcome back to Watch Me World channel. Today I'm gonna be making some PB&J shakes. Yes, it does not go with my dietary plan, but I was needed something sweet today. So this is what is on the menu. So for this shake, it is a simple one too. I am just literally doing 3 scoops of ice cream. You can add however much ice cream that you like. It depends on how thick you want your ice cream to. The more ice cream you put, the less liquid you put in, the thicker your milkshake will be. So I don't like mine too thick, but I do like it to have a little body. So I did 3 scoops of ice cream, and now I'm going to be doing 1 cup of milk. So if you notice, in Canada, our milk comes in both the carton and also bags. So that's why my milk is in a bag there and in a pitcher. So now I'm just gonna be adding in my 1 cup of milk. And with any milky products that I take, I usually I usually add in a pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle on some salt onto that. And then I will be adding in the tasty ingredients. So I am using grape jelly for this recipe. I really did want a PB&J sandwich, but I was like, you know what? Let's drink the sandwich instead. So I'm gonna be adding in just 1 scoop of jelly. Then I'm gonna be adding in my peanut butter. So for the peanut butter now, this is entirely up to your preference, but mine is the crunchy peanut butter, and that also will add to the texture once you blend it all together. Some people don't like the peanut butter with crunch in it, so I would suggest you using the smooth peanut butter. And then for all my people who are allergic to peanut butter, there is also an alternative called wow butter. It's like the same color, but the ingredients does not contain peanuts, if you do want to try this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all together. And there's Miss Bria helping me out, and we're just gonna blend it. Nothing serious. This is it, like 1 2 3, and then we're gonna be done. But you know, we gotta garnish our milkshake a bit, so I will be garnishing it with some icing. Guys, I ran out of whipped cream, so icing it is. I was really feeling for something sweet today, to be honest. It is so cold outside, and honestly, sometimes you just want that pick me up, and this is what this is gonna do for me today. So you see the texture, it is nice and has those peanuts bits in there, so that's what I like. Now for my garnish, I will be using Melba toast, which is like a crisp bread basically, and I'm gonna be just cutting off a little piece. It is very fragile when you're cutting it, so I got a lot of broken pieces there, but I just wanted that little piece there just for my garnish. And from the spoon, I will be using the peanut butter and just the jelly, just to kind of top it all off. Just simple adding on, and again, this adds to the texture as well, so it does give the milkshake a nice little crunch, makes you feel like you're eating a sandwich. So yeah guys, once you get that all done, you're basically on your way to enjoying this tasty goodness. I hope you guys try this, because honestly, maybe this has been done before, but I've never actually tried a PB&J milkshake, and it is so tasty. Like, I can't believe how good it tastes. But anyhow, but of course, PB&J is sweet, and it also has that nice peanutty taste from the peanut butter. So of course it will taste good, right? Because you're just adding it into milk and ice cream, which is also nice and tasty. But yeah, it actually tastes really nice. It tastes really good. So that's me topping off the milkshake. I'm just adding on my icing, which also goes really well with the Melba toast. Like, I was so surprised how good it tasted. And then I'm just going to be adding a little bit just to top it off. I added in my Melba toast on the side and now it's time to enjoy this tasty goodness. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. it was really fun to make, and it was so quick. Like it's a nice pick me up snack, and I bet you'll love it if you like PB&J. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.